Good evening, I'm Hugh Remington. This is 10 Eyewitness News. Tonight, a weeping Oscar Pistorius says sorry. Tonight he begins his testimony in his own defence at his murder trial. Tonight, behind bars, actor Robert Hughes is found guilty on multiple child sex charges despite his shouts of innocence. And the prison mate's story. A convicted Australian drug smuggler says Chappelle Corby confessed to her she knew she was carrying drugs. When he was weeping so hard, the judge had to tell him to pull himself together and get on with it. Oscar Pistorius has tonight taken the stand at his murder trial, apologising to the family of his girlfriend Reva Steenkamp for shooting her dead. She went to sleep that night, says the former Olympian, feeling loved. He shot her, he says, in error, not wanting to kill her, but to protect her. Here is Samantha Beech.
With the world watching, Oscar Pistorius takes to the witness box.
My name is Oscar Leonard Cole Pistorius.
Reva Steenkamp's mother was in court, ready to hear her daughter's killer tell his side for the first time in public.
I'd like to apologise and say that there's not a moment, and there hasn't been a moment since this tragedy happened, that I haven't thought about your family.
Pistorius told the court Reva's family are the first thing he thinks of when he wakes up in the morning.
I can't imagine the pain and the sorrow and the emptiness that I've caused you and your family. I was simply trying to protect Reva.
The Blade Runner shot Reva Steenkamp 4 times on Valentine's Day last year through a locked bathroom door. The prosecution says she was murdered intentionally following an argument. Pistorius claims he thought she was an intruder and says when she went to bed the night she was killed, she felt loved.
I've tried to put my words on paper many times to write to you, but no words would ever suffice.
The trial has already heard 15 days of testimony from the prosecution, neighbours who say they heard Reva's terrified screams, a mobile phone analyst who showed the court text messages where Reva said Pistorius scared her.
That's where I wake up and I can smell blood, and I wake up to being terrified.
Oscar Pistorius' lawyer says he'll call up to 17 more witnesses over the coming days. Samantha Beech, 10 Eyewitness News.